In this video, you will be shown how to create an annual pattern. An annual pattern is not assigned to an element, but is created as part of the dataset. To create a pattern, click on System in the menu bar and choose Annual Pattern from the three available pattern options. For an annual pattern, you will have to define monthly values. In the appearing time series pattern window, you will see an overview of all previously created annual patterns. Here you can create a new pattern, edit an existing pattern, or delete a selected pattern. Click on the Create a New Pattern button and you will be prompted with the question if you would like to create a flexible annual pattern. A flexible pattern means you can freely choose the months you want to assign values to instead of having to assign values for all 12 months. In this example, we will choose a fixed pattern with 12 values assigned to the 12 months. Enter a name for the pattern and fill in the desired values. To ensure a smooth transition in the values from month to month, you can turn on the interpolation option. If the interpolation option is off, the value you have assigned to each month will be implemented from the beginning to the end of the month. The next month will obtain the new value assigned to it, also from start to end, and so on. After entering the values for each month, you will be able to view the average value in the bottom of the window. Click Save, and you will find the annual pattern in the overview.